Pepe coin holders, I've got a video for you, a quick little update on price of where I think Pepe is going to be headed here in the short term. So hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop into this video, guys. All right, so first things first, we are looking at the Pepe coin chart on the weekly time frame, and everything is holding intact. We are very, very close for it to not being held intact. We are close to seeing a breakdown, but I would not be surprised to see a little bit of a fake out here on the weekly time frame, setting us up for a little bit more consolidation. But if you look at the lower term time frames, you can see that it does look like we are somewhat bottoming out. But I will be honest, guys, look, you see a green dot on market cipher, momentum wave is coming up. You also see money flow barely starting to come up on market cipher, indicating we should probably be seeing some more money coming into Pepe. And there's also some signals we need to be looking at that are indicating that altcoin season may be right around the corner after a very, very important decision has to be made. And if you do agree with that, please check out in the description box below or the pinned comment down below. If you want to buy this Pepe dip, then please sign up to Blowf and you get a $5,000 sign-on bonus, as well as 10% off all trading fees for the lifetime of your account, guys. No other exchange is offering this. That's why I want to be pushing this to you guys. I've been doing this every video, sending this out to you guys because it's a very, very good deal, and it's very, very important I push this out to you because I don't know how long it's going to last, and usually these deals only last during the bull markets. So Pepe is sitting right now at rank 25, up about 0.75% on the past 7 days, down about 6% in the past 24 hours. We're seeing some turbulence here. Bitcoin is slowly melting down. It's still during the holiday season. Holiday price action is very funky, guys. It is very hard to trade during holiday price action, so I really recommend you probably sit on your hands. Now, it's not financial advice, but I'm just telling you guys my opinion on what I would be doing right now, and I'm sitting on my hands. I'm watching the market basically play out here. The traditional market has low volume. The crypto market has low volume. So I'm just going to sit back, sit on my profits that I've been taking throughout this bull market, and just see what's going on here before I make any more decisions here. But if you look at Pepe, we're sitting at a $7.3 billion market cap, 1.5 billion 24-hour volume. It is slowing down, the 24-hour volume, but still it is nearly 20% of the entire market cap. It's a really good sign, guys. It's really important to see a big amount of the 24-hour volume being taken up of basically 20% of the entire market cap. That's a very large amount to be seeing trading in 24-hour volume. And that usually is an indication of a strong coin, guys. I do want to say over on crypto Twitter, you can follow me at 333blackc. If you follow me on Instagram and I get to 1,000 followers in the next 24 hours, I want to give one of you guys $1,000. In the spirit of these hard times, I want to be giving back to you guys. So if you're a Pepe coin holder, go follow me. Maybe you'll win the $1,000. But we are seeing signal right now for Bitcoin dominance that indicates that Pepe is getting ready to make some big moves here. When you look at Bitcoin dominance, this is basically the number one indicator I like to look at when it comes to when's altcoin season going to happen? Where are we? Is it happening now? Did it already happen? Well, guys, no, it did not happen. There is plenty of time to see these altcoins make massive moves. And if you're a Pepe coin bull, then you should be paying attention to Bitcoin dominance, because if you look at this, this is pure speculation. I've been talking about this in the past few videos that I've been making about the 138 days from the top to the bottom of Bitcoin dominance in a swift move. We still have about 100 days left in this window if we were to replicate this fractal back here, okay? And it's possible, but regardless if we see another 100 days, I do expect Bitcoin dominance to break down very, very soon, guys. Very, very soon. I do not expect it. I don't expect it to break back above 60%. If that happens, that means there's some max pain going on. That means that Bitcoin probably didn't hold the $88,000 to $85,000 price level. If it doesn't hold that, then maybe, just maybe, we see a test back at all-time highs, but I'm not putting my money on that. I'm really not. I do expect this to break down here. This is a lower high. You should expect this to break down. You see money flow starting to curve down. Yeah, you do see a buy signal here, but I would not be surprised to see this do something like this, where you see this come up a little bit and then bam. I would not be surprised to see that, guys, because I think a lot of people are in pain right now. I think a lot of people are holding alts. They're seeing Bitcoin make big moves up. Retail is obviously here. That's why we saw such a massive sell-off on these altcoins across the board when Bitcoin just took a little bit of a tumble. I do expect retail to FOMO back in. This is a very iconic thing that happens every bull market. You see Bitcoin rally up, gets everybody excited, retail FOMO's in, the alts start to move a little bit, and then bam, it flushes everybody out. The people that are new buyers leave, and then when Bitcoin slowly starts crawling back up, they come and FOMO back in. It's a vicious cycle, but that is how this market plays out, guys. It is PvP. But if we were to take a look at Pepe a little bit more, you can see, I want to break this down a little bit. You can see that we're seeing money flow starting to come back. You see on the 4-hour time frame, we have money flow coming out. But guys, the main thing we need to be focusing on really is where's Bitcoin? And if Bitcoin holds above 88,000, then I do expect to see altcoin season. That being said, I do think that it will take a little bit of time to see some juice flow into the alts and into Pepe. But when it does, I do expect big moves. I do expect us to test previous highs at 11.5, 12 billion-ish for Pepe. I do expect Pepe to become one of the largest meme coins this cycle. And I think that there's a good chance that it flips Shiba Inu, guys. Pepe alone, the meme, the staying power, the mind share of this meme. It was the first meme on the internet, guys. You have Elon Musk starting to share Pepe memes. I'm confident that this coin is going to perform well, guys. I just want to give you a quick little update on Pepe coin and give you my ideas of where I think we're headed here. And I will say, I think that we are in for a little bit of sideways chop, maybe some consolidation here for the next few days, maybe a couple weeks into Q1 of 2025. But in Q1 2025, I think that's when we're going to get some more clarity here, if we're going to be seeing new all-time highs, or if that can is going to get kicked down the road until Q4 of 2025, and then maybe that's when we expect the massive moves. But regardless, I expect 2025 to be a good time for Pepe. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you agree. Let me know in the comment section below, how high do you think Pepe coin will reach in 2025? Do you think we'll reach a $100 billion market cap? I think it's possible if these Bitcoin strategic reserves happen. We are seeing some things where Japan is kind of being like, no, we can't do that because there's uncertainty. We're seeing some people, some governments shying away from it. But, all it takes is some big governments like the U.S. to say, we're going to do it. And then all of a sudden, everybody does a complete 180 and just goes the opposite direction and chases it. And then you have the digital arms race. It's an exciting time, guys. Please follow me, 333blackc on Instagram and Twitter, and check out Blowfin, that $5,000 sign bonus. I don't know when that is going to end, so take advantage of it. I'll see you in the next one.